Hi everyone, this is Asif with you. In this video, we will see what is the process of VAT return filing in FTA's new e-services portal called Emaratax. This video is intended for all those users who are already familiar with VAT return computations and filing in FTA's old e-services portal. We will not be discussing any VAT laws or VAT calculation in this video, as this video is purely to make you familiar with this new e-services portal called Emaratax. So first of all, visit eservices.tax.gov.ae and enter your details and login. Here you will see companies registered under this user. Currently in my case there is only one company. Click on your company name. Then from left sidebar menu, click VAT. Here in these tiles, the first tile is for My Filings, for VAT returns, and one not filed. This means my one VAT return is not filed. This does not mean that I missed to file or I am late on it. It just purely means that it is due to be filed. So click View All. Now in Emaratax portal, your VAT return details are showing in this beautiful table. You can customize columns which you want to see or hide. You can filter by filing type. You can filter by status, and you can search also. So at first glance 5 rows are loaded because it's a web-based process. So to speed up the loading process, only 5 rows are here. You can increase number of rows if you want. So previously submitted VAT return will show here with the status as submitted. You can click on these 3 dots and view already submitted or submit voluntary disclosures. There is no option to download it in PDF. I was attending a webinar by FTA and it was being discussed there that they will include a PDF downloading option for already submitted VAT returns. So the first row here showing status as open. This VAT return is due to be submitted and due date is 28th of December 2022. So here is the action button, file. If you click on file, the filing process will start. Here is a brief information before you start. So you should read if you are doing it first time. Number of steps 2. Now it's a 2-step process. In first step, you will punch your values, and in next step you will confirm that you are declaring the values are correct. Expected time to fill this form is 20 minutes. So within 20 minutes you have to submit this form. So there is no fee for this form as expected. There are other details if you want you can read. I confirm that I have read the instruction and guidelines and start. I have noticed many users' browser become non-responsive after clicking the start process. Maybe this is the new platform by FTA and is not properly optimized for loading speed and other things. Hopefully it will be fixed in future. So as discussed earlier, this is 2-step process. First is VAT return filing, punching numbers, and other one is review and declaration. In this Emaratax portal, there is a new addition now. You can upload your values from Excel template. Download template. So this is the Excel template. You can punch values here and upload this same template, and your values will be updated in these cells. So first download template, fill the values, then click on upload template, locate the file and upload here. Otherwise, if you want to punch values manually, you can type the values in these cells as you are doing already in old form. So this is same as it was earlier. There is no change, just the little UI is changed. So confirm if you are using profit margin or not. Next step, then declare all the information is correct and click submit. Otherwise you can save it as draft and continue editing later on. So this is the overall process in this new platform Emaratax.